I really enjoyed the webinar. I learned loads of stuff and it went really well.
Quite a lot of people were enjoying it and asking questions.
Hello, we are the Super Ambassadors of Castle Hood Primary School.
Hello everybody, my name is Keith and I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales. Listening to children and being involved with Super Ambassadors is really important for me.
I really liked doing this.
I learned that Keith Towler's 55.
Got questions coming in? Okay. Wow. That's a really important question.
Oh, it's amazing because I've never done anything like that before.
Big thank you to everybody in Castleford and to all of you for joining this webinar. Hope you've enjoyed it. Take care. Bye now.